Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0x80004005. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is you have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. And here in the list of options, you will find troubleshoot. So simply click on that. Then here you'll find other troubleshooters. Then go ahead and click on that. Now here in the under most frequent, you'll find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So first is you need to try to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So you just have to click on this run button at the right pane. So what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that is that it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix your issue. So try running the Windows Update troubleshooter first. Then for the next method is we need to click on the start button and go to settings. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update and then scroll down and you will find advanced options. And under additional options, you'll find optional updates. Click on that. So you need to install the optional updates on your Windows. So what you can do is you just need to simply, especially for the driver updates, click on this drop down arrow and here you'll find this updates for your Windows. You just need to simply check this box that corresponds to that update like this, and then just simply click on this button download and install, and then you just have to wait for the installation process to be done. Then for the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and then type here CMD, which stands for command prompt. Now on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator to open the command prompt with administrative rights and type in here SFC space / scan now. This is the system file checker scan. Now hit enter. What this will do is that this will scan for and repair any system corrupt files and then fix for all any system corrupted files. So you just need to wait for the process to be fully completed. So in my case, there is a pending restart because I have just fixed an issue earlier. But in your case, you have to wait for the process. There will be a verification process for that. So you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then make a right click at the start button and you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Then here you'll find in the left pane in the list of options Startup Apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup applications enabled on your Windows. So what you can do in here for the startup programs on your Windows is you need to disable all the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows that should not come along with your Windows during startup. So what you can do is simply make a right click, select disable. Right click disable. So you have to do this for all the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows, and once done, close this. For the next method in the Windows search bar, type system configuration. Best match system configuration, click on that. Now here in the system configuration window, you need to click on the general tab and here you'll find selective startup, and here you'll find two options, load system services and load startup items. Now uncheck this box for load startup items. Click on the boot tab, then here you have to click on the safe boot, and then here you'll find services. Now check this box, hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, click on apply, and then you have to click on yes and click on OK, and then you have to click on the restart button. And that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.